Namaste children. Today we are going to learn the lesson from your political science, role of the government in health. In a democracy, people expect the government to work for their welfare. This could be through the provision of education, health, employment, housing, or the development of roads, electricity, etc. In this chapter, we shall examine the meanings and problems related to health. Dear children, what is health? Health means our ability to remain free of illness and injuries. But health isn't only about disease. You may have associated only some of the situation in the above with the health. See, my dear children, what we often ignore is the fact that each of the situation is related to health. Apart from disease, we need to think of other factors that affect our health. For example, if people get the drinking water which is polluted through the environment, they are likely to be not healthy. In the other hand, people do not get adequate food to eat or have to live in cramped conditions. They will be prone to illness. Dear children, in our government, they provide the primary healthcare centers for the poor people, those who suffered because of illness can cure with freely. In order to prevent and treat illness, we need appropriate healthcare facilities such as health centers, hospitals, ambulance, laboratory for testing, blood banks, etc. that can provide the required care and services that patients need, especially the poor people. In order to run such facilities, we need health workers and especially the nurses and qualified doctors. So, each and every condition, the government provide the schemes for the welfare of the people. Dear children, hope you are all understood this topic. We will continue the topic in the next class. Thank you.